Hello and welcome to the dungeon menu. Today we're doing an unboxing video again. And the package of today is the Icons of the Realms Undead Armies Zombies. This one. The miniatures looks nice and I'm very interested how those miniatures look like outside the box. Let's start with the halfling. Yeah, seen better times with that axe in his head. A missing hand. It was hard to turn to a zombie like that. Then we have here an elven zombie. Very interesting is that those bases are very massive and considered to the normal medium-sized miniatures. Those are it feels thicker. Maybe it's just another material, not sure yet. But it seems like. Then the dwarven miniature. Looks very cool with that axe there. Hey, look, all miniatures are looking very slashed and damaged and bloody all over the place. That's a bit brutal. Here we got our human, the first of three. So we got a halfling, an elf, and a dwarf, and then three humans. Sure, there could be more variation, but I think that's quite right. This zombie looks like the zombie in the monster manual, so it suits very well. And it's also human, sure. And then the fun thing is, or the funniest miniature I could say, is this miniature, because it's the fighter drawing out of the player's handbook as a zombie. So this poor fighter was stabbed with his own spear. Very bad death. And to be raised as a zombie? Not better. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and see you the next time. Bye.